well. Sam just got back. We're got the throttle cable pulled off of the second gen because it's a little bit different. Actually, it's a little bit longer for the P pump, so we had to pull that off and put it over here on the first gen. So that's fairly simple. I'll show you real quick. In here, let me get my flashlight on. So up there, and my phone is going off, up there's a throttle cable. On the back side of the throttle cable, on the back side of the pedal, there's like 2 tabs that you gotta pull together and then push it out towards the rear of the truck. Push it towards the rear of the truck. And then there's a slot on the top that the cable slides through. And then you just gotta squeeze up there where it runs through the firewall behind the pedal. I don't know how well you can see there, kinda not gonna focus. And it's just got 2 tabs that you gotta pull, and then it pushes through the firewall. Fairly simple once you figure it out. It can be kind of hard to figure it out. Hey Sam. But Steve just ran to O'Reilly's to get some parts for the return fitting. Got to get the wires finished up, fueled to it, and we can get it running. Okay, crank it over again. Easy, Sam. Nah, he doesn't need a hood set, little fast camera truck.
Gonna drive it?
Yeah. You want to jump in?
You want to take this along or no?
Yeah, sure. Let me. Oh, yes.
I'm gonna try to take it. Just don't. I know. We gotta set the trans, man. I know. God damn it. I want to drive this thing for a while before it goes completely again. And the trans is gonna go. Alright. Maybe.
Hey, there's an extra seat in here.
What? Trying to lump on me? I was driving tomorrow too. Dude, the mounts are terrible. Look, the horse torques.
Oh, all of the horse torques, baby.
You gonna ride, bitch?
Yes, let's go. Buy the tires. We'll do a burnout if you buy the tires and a transmission. There's like not much to see because the windows are painted and all that other stuff.
We got brakes for sure.
Yeah, we got brakes.
Yeah, we got brakes.
Yep.
I think so. Oh shit, it's fogging up in here.
Crank your windows. It's not shifting. Oh, there it goes. Okay, we might have to swing back around real quick just to... I think it has a little bit of fuel leak, yeah.
Second that. Do what? Oh, that's warm.
I think it's the first injector. Okay. So you just saw our burnout that Steve did there. We got everything sort of wrapped up on it. They are. Yeah.
Pretty warm actually.
Yeah.
We need to get that thing hooked up.
Hook the fan up and everything. We have a little bit of a fuel leak up here. Not that you can see a whole lot there. But as far as the pump goes, it's running. We drove it down the road. We just have to wrap up a bunch of little odds and ends. That way it's completely drivable and everything. What do you think, Sam?
I like it a lot.
You like it a lot? We just need to get it shifting right.
Transmission dual coming up, I can feel it.
Right there. Okay, so guys, that is gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There's dirt on my camera lens. I hope you guys can see me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and everything else.
They like it. You like it.
We'll see ya.